What's up guys, welcome back to Shifting Lanes. My name is Gregson, and today we're making my V70R a whole lot brighter. So if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you see, I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up at the end if you liked it, enjoyed it, or found it informational in any way, shape, or form, or if you just like looking at my stupid face. What we're doing tonight is reinstalling the lights that I had sent out a couple of weeks ago to HIDprojectors. The lights on the V70R's and these Volvo's factory headlights, the US spec headlights, are absolute hot garbage. They are just terrible, and I basically needed a better set because I couldn't see at all at night. So what I did is I had them sent out to HIDprojectors.com. Been working with a guy named Tom over there. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm actually gonna run some B-roll that they shot, and it explains exactly what these headlights are. So don't skip the video. Don't do anything like that, because watch the whole video. That actually helps us out a lot. And also go to the end of the video once you do watch this, and you can see exactly what I got so that you guys can get it too. Let's rewind a couple of weeks where I took the bumper off this car. It's not gonna be really that informational. If you do want to see the informational side of this, FCP Euro has an amazing video on how to basically take the bumper off this car and how to take the headlights out of this car. It's super easy. You can do it in less than 10 minutes. It took me about 30 minutes because I was filming. So go check that out. Go check out their YouTube channel and subscribe to it if you don't already, because they have a ton of DIY content for the P2 platform. So if you own one of these cars, what are you doing? Just go sub there. And let's just rewind and show you how I took all this off and what the headlights looked like before, and then I'll show you the after, because they look amazing. Okay, headlight is out. Now, it's a little dark in my garage. I'm gonna upgrade that lighting soon so you can actually get better view. But you can see in here, there's a ton of different wires and harnesses. They're all really super easy to disconnect, and the light is over there. So, I'm gonna do the same thing on that side, and then these things are ready to rock. Here's all the harness work. Basically, this whole thing, the whole assembly is going to HIDprojectors.com, and I'm rolling it on the front because these glass pieces, they are getting replaced. Let's fast forward to the day of shipping and get these things gone so we can put them back in, and I can show you what that's gonna look like after. So here we go. I have some new turn signal bulbs from FCPEuro.com. Thank you guys for that. These actually shipped. I shipped them normal, total, no rush air or anything. Got them in 2 days. So good job. Here are the new lights. They look absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna tilt them back. So this is basically a brand new projector you're looking at. And again, stay tuned to the end of the video. You get a full description on this. This is a full retrofit. Nothing is new here except for the glass and the projector itself. The daytime running lamp is the same, the turn signal is the same, and the reflector is the same. Everything else is OEM. You can look in the back here, and I'm not gonna tilt it too far up because I don't wanna ruin the new glass. And all of this is totally the same as it would be in any P2 headlight for the V70 and S60R. So without further ado, let's just not even talk anymore and just put all this back together, because that's the whole reason, is the before and after. You guys don't want to hear me talk, so I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna put these in. Alright, so these are pretty much in. I have a couple of 10 mils that I got to put back in here, but these are just about where they should be. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you guys what these things look like, because I just turned it on and they look pretty crazy. So, on, lights, oh yeah.
Waiting for pairing. Paired.
Shut up, Grom. We got high beams, we got low beams. Yeah, buddy. That's good. And this one over here. Oh, yes. Ooh, that was bright. Awesome. They are putting out a pretty substantial amount of heat. Damn. All right, that's great. These look awesome. All right, I'm gonna close this up and we're gonna go outside and check out the before and after, because the before I basically did on that garage door and it looked like crap. So what we're gonna do is take it outside, button it up, and we'll see what it looks like. Cue the time lapse. All right, real quick before we go outside, here she is all buttoned up, looking very flush, good fitment, everything is working perfectly. Wiper arms are back on, wiper blades are back on. Fitment is really nice. Look at that flushness, super good. All right, so now that this is all buttoned up, hood closed, everything's good, time to go outside and check this before and after. All right, it is the end of the work day today and I'm heading back to my car. This is gonna be basically the final reveal of it in the daylight. It looks a lot better outside here than it did in my garage. So without further ado, I'm gonna spin the camera around, show you what they look like, and then I'm gonna wait for it to get dark, which shouldn't be, you know, too long, maybe another 30-45 minutes, drive home, and I will show you an after shot of what these lights look like at night. They already, I can tell, are a lot brighter. Here's the car, spinning it around. Let's look at these lights. Blam! Fitment complete. The left one looks a little bit off to me. I think it actually has something to do with the surround, it's sort of like a rubbery plastic thing that sort of goes around the eye lens to make it like fit in there a little bit more appropriately. You can kind of see it over here. It's this piece right here, this little plastic trim right here. It's not exactly perfect here. It's pushed in a bit, so it looks a little kind of funky. When I open the hood, you can kind of see it a little bit better, but it's pushed in a lot more on this one than it is that, mainly because that one broke. Neither of them are really in great shape. I'll probably just order that part and replace them. So that's why they kind of look a little off. It has nothing to do with the fitment of the light or anything. It's sort of an optical illusion. And I believe this one actually is set a little lower because two of the bolts on either side are not exactly lined up and all the bolts over here are. So there you have it. I think that looks really, really good. But you can do this yourself. Again, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm just going to drop the B-roll at the end of the video that HIDprojectors gave me, Tom gave me, and it's going to explain exactly what this is. So that's what they look like in the daylight. I think this is a really nice OEM plus look, and that's basically coined by Tom from HIDprojectors. So thank you, Tom, for that. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. This was an awesome upgrade. It's a very easy upgrade. And the best part is you can do this yourself for about 200 bucks. Now, if you want to send this out to HIDprojectors, it's going to be about $400 or $500 on top of that. They will give you new everything. Actually, if you purchase new lenses, they can put the new lenses on for you because these are brand new. These are new lenses. So there's no pitting, no cracking, and I'm gonna get these things fully PPF'd so they don't pit out and look totally crappy after like a year or two, especially with New Jersey roads. Shout out to you, insanely crappy front bumper. So that's it. Let's take a look at the before and after shots because you guys, I think, are going to be very impressed. All right, guys, so I hope you can hear me a little bit better than last time I filmed this. I'm on a dark back road. You can already see the lights are amazingly brighter than the last time. There's a little bit of illumination here from these street lamps, but here's the high beams now. Ah, I can see! It's like the friggin' daytime. I cannot believe the difference. Low beams, High beams. Oh my God, that's awesome. It even has this cool like hexagonal shape. You can't really see it. I don't think it's coming out on camera. But wow, what a difference. Oh man, this is amazing. So if you aren't familiar with what it looked like last time, I'll put it up right now. This is what it looked like, and that was the high beams. That was literally the high beams. And as you can see, the low beams are just as good as the high beams were. And that's the high beams, holy crap. What a difference. Oh man, all right, so I'm gonna get home now, and then I'm gonna do the same thing against my garage because I have a before and after of the garage, and that's where you can really kind of see it against a white background. So let's head there now and let's do that before and after. Here we go. Look at that difference. I mean, the garage isn't closed, but I think you can kind of tell because this is what it looked like last time. I mean, what? How did I even see at night? Look at that. Now you can kind of see that hexagonal shape. It's like right here. It's very cool. I actually like it a lot. Yeah, wow. What a difference. Oh, huge difference. Wow, awesome. Oh yeah, you guys need to get these. These are really good. So that'll do it for today's video. So let's talk about, well, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to show you exactly what I got. Here is Tom from HIDprojectors. If you want to purchase this kit, here's exactly what you'll get.
So customer sent in their D2R headlights, which use a reflector-based HID bulb, and we took that apart and put in our SR6 by xenon projectors. These have the honeycomb etched lens as well, and we put the nice chrome Apollo shroud around them. So it's kind of an OEM-ish or OEM plus kind of look, and you get a by xenon projector now, and you also have a D2S bulb set up, so it's going to use the factory ballast, but the output's going to be increased and improved tremendously. You get that sharp cutoff. You're no longer relying on a reflector-based HID setup, so this is a true projector-based. We're using the light where you need it most on the road and concentrating that light where you need it. So you're not going to be blinding anyone, you still get your high beam, and you get this really cool updated modern look. This set has a brand new set of lenses on it as well, so they came out great. We can do all sorts of different options with these as well, anything from custom paint work on the bezels or on the shrouds, for example. We can add angel eyes or halos. We can do devil eyes inside. We can swap out the stock daytime running light for something else, remove those orange reflectors, you know, you name it. Come up with some ideas and we could do it. We've done a few others here as well. We have some examples that we can show. If you're interested, give us a call or find us online. You can reach us at 716-662-3479, option 1, or via email at sales@hidprojectors.com.
Now, with all that said, this kit as a DIY is about $200. Now, that is a pretty ridiculous savings because these lights, as they stand brand new, are between $1,000 and $1,400. Now, you can find them on any group or whatever for way cheaper, but if you're to get brand new lights, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. I recommend this hugely. It's an amazing upgrade. If you want to send your lights into them, it'll be about $400 or $500 on top plus shipping. So you're gonna look probably between $600 to $1,000 depending on what you get. Now, I very much recommend it because even if you get 2 brand new lights at the cheapest you can get brand new, $2,000 versus $600 to $1,000, big savings. I mean, you could see in the video, my lights were absolute garbage, and now they are amazing. It's a big safety upgrade because now I can see at night, and around where I live here in northern New Jersey, there's a lot of deer, and a lot of deer deaths. Not just people hitting deer, but people dying from hitting deer on the highways, on the back roads. It's not really very good. I live in the woods of New Jersey, so it's a really good upgrade for me to have because the V70R is now my daily. Because I got this, I don't know if you guys have seen, but I bought an E90 M3 2011 sedan, saloon if you're in the UK or elsewhere, and it has a supercharger on it. So this thing's pushing 625 at the crank. We're gonna take it to the dyno and see how much it has, but the VR is effectively my daily now. This thing is the next project car, even though it's pretty much a done project. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out HIDprojectors.com. It's in the description, and I'm gonna give you an update about 3 to 6 months from now because I do want to re-level everything and sort of make it on the up and up. I'm gonna do some recalibration in Vita and do everything that you really should. 3 to 6 months from now, I'm gonna do an update video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. My name is Gregson, and I will catch you next time. See ya!